Hey, what's up viewers? Welcome back to my channel 𝗟𝗡𝗧𝗥𝗢𝗓𝗓. Today I will show you how to run Android emulators on Azure virtual machines. You can use it for playing games, API sniffing and much more. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed, do subscribe and press the bell icon to be updated. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, log in to your Azure portal. You will need an active Azure subscription to create virtual machines. If you don't have, you can check my Telegram channel. I do daily post tricks to get Azure and much more. Select Windows 10 Pro 20H2 image. You can select other Windows 10 server, Windows version 1903, and above are working. Now note that in VM size you can only select the D series V3, other VM series don't support Hyper, I am selecting D4S V3. Now fill up the virtual machine name, username, password and follow me. Go to Management and disable the boot diagnostics. Now click on Review and Create and then Create. Okay, now let's wait till the virtual machine get created. Virtual machine is created. Now copy the IP address and connect to the RDP server. Now click on Windows button and search for Turn Windows feature on and off. Now enable Hyper-V and also enable the Windows Hyperversion platform. Then click OK. It will ask for restart. Click on Restart now. OK, the RDP got automatically closed. Now let's download an Android emulator. You will need a Hyper-V enabled Android emulator to work on Azure Virtual Machine. Here I find out BlueStacks have a separate version for Hyper-V. Let's download it in the virtual machine. Here you can also find some old versions you can give a try. Let's install BlueStacks on the virtual machine. Ignore this error. Here it may get stuck at 31%. If it happens with you, open Task Manager and close the BlueStacks. Now disable Windows Defender and install BlueStacks again. Now it will ask for system restart. Restart the virtual machine and connect again after 30 to 40 seconds. Run BlueStacks with administration permission. It may take time for first start. And here we go, we successfully installed Android emulator in Azure Virtual Machine. If you got any error while installing, you can comment below or contact me through Telegram. My Telegram channel link is in description. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Meet you all in my next video. And thanks for watching.